Good day, everybody. This is Michael Levitis from jurisq.com, a legal network. And I have here back with us an immigration attorney, Yakov Spektor. Yakov, welcome back.
Hello, everyone.
Yakov, at our last session, which we do to educate people on immigration laws, we talked about what could get you deported, or is now, as they call it, politically correct, removed. But the fact is the same. You could get kicked out of this country. We talked about if you get arrested, criminal record, possibly you could get deported. However, some people don't know that marijuana use and sale of marijuana, which could be legal, right, in some states, could be an issue. Yakov, can you please talk about it? What are some of the misconceptions about use of marijuana and what needs to be done or avoided if you're waiting for your precious US passport, US citizenship?
Okay, so this could be a very, very useful video for a lot of you guys, okay, because there's tens of millions of people who smoke marijuana. In most states, it's considered harmless, which indeed for adults it is. But the federal government, as usual, is about 15-20 years behind. At some point, they will probably legalize marijuana, but it's been illegal since the late 30s in the United States. People have gone to jail for many, many years just for smoking marijuana. You have to remember that it's a very strange situation, a schizophrenic situation, I would even say. You guys might actually even own a dispensary, okay, in one of the states where it's legal. And that would be a completely legitimate business. And yet, if you, let's say, are applying for your naturalization and you do disclose it, okay, not only will the government deny you, but they may even try to deport you by alleging that you are a drug trafficker, because that's what you are under federal law. So be extremely, extremely careful. If this is something that you do, and let's say you have a green card and you're applying for naturalization, you know, talk to me first. Talk to a professional who might be able to guide you in something like this. But even if you have an old marijuana conviction, just a ticket for smoking weed, something very minor, okay, and you are not a citizen of the United States yet, okay, do treat it seriously, because the federal government will.
Yakov, this is very, very, very important. I would say this is life-saving, which you have disclosed now, because so many people are confused. They may see people smoking marijuana all around them, like in the state of New York, and they may think, wow, it's legal, no problem. I can use it, I can possibly sell it in dispensary. Turns out, according to federal law, according to Washington, it is illegal. And you're applying for your US citizenship where? In Washington. So they're going to consider you a criminal. And if you're a criminal, as we talked before on our sessions, if you're a criminal, you may have a big problem, or possibly it may be impossible for you to get US legal status. So before you enter into a business in a dispensary, talk to an attorney that is knowledgeable not only in marijuana laws, but also knowledgeable in immigration laws, like Yakov Spektor, who can guide you whether or not you're doing the right thing, because you may want to hold off until you get your papers, and then you can do whatever you want.
And then you can smoke the joint.
Exactly. So wait for that joint, restrain yourself, self-control a little bit. You get your papers, do what you got to do.
Absolutely correct.
Sounds good. Yakov, thank you so much. This was very informative as always. We appreciate it, and we're going to see you again with more videos. We are trying to educate people, to give them general advice. If you want specific advice about your particular case, about you personally, your details, schedule an appointment, a consultation with a law firm of Spektor and Berman, with immigration attorney Yakov Spektor. The number, as you can see on the bottom of the screen. We appreciate it. Thank you for your attention. Yakov Spektor, thank you for your time. Until next time, have a great day.
Thank you, Michael. Take care, everyone.
Thank you.